Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change language on Bilibili. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bilibili app and tap on the option of me at the bottom right. Then from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of settings given on there below the message center. Then from the settings, you're going to be choosing the language, and you will find the designated language for your particular book or default language for your device. Then go ahead, tap on the one that you would like to change on the arrow icon given on the right section. Then you will find a list of languages you can choose from. You can see we have plenty of language from over here. You can choose the one that you would prefer. Once you've chosen the one, you will be able to save the changes and you are good to go. The language for your Bilibili will be changed accordingly, and that is it. You can do this as many times as you want, multiple times, and you can be able to change it. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below, and that is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.